Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Fetch. All right, and this is if you look at Fetch right now, the price structure hasn't changed much. I mean, yesterday what I still said is that there was more of some bearish momentum in Fetch than bullish momentum. That has changed because Fetch is very much now a consolidation. You can see the EMAs are fairly flat. The price in general is moving sideways. We get some strong buys sometimes, but also some strong sells. So Fetch on its own is very consolidating, which is not amazing, or at least, well, if you look at some other sectors of the market, you can see that those are rallying right now. Like especially layer ones and Solana and AVAX are doing absolutely amazing. But that's a bit of payback. I mean, most of you know that Fetch has performed super well in the last 3 weeks or so, like since the 28th of February. Even at this level, which is quite a drop from the all-time high, we're up 133%. All right, so something like that cannot continue forever. The Nvidia conference is getting closer and closer. I think that's already priced in, and we might even get some sort of a sell the news effect. So that's what's going on right now. I still think, and most of you know this, I'm a big fan of Fetch. All right, Fetch will 100% rally again. It's just at this point of time, it has already rallied so much. It just needs to cool down a bit, and capital is flowing into other opportunities. So that's the situation. I mean, you can also see it right here. It's also not ideal that Bitcoin obviously stopped going up. But if you look at the open interest right here, that's also, yesterday we still had yesterday and the day before, we had some strong buys, but in general, we always returned to going lower with the open interest. So we're losing momentum. Markets are still bullish. AI is still fairly bullish, I would say, if you zoom out. So all of that to me points towards a consolidation. So that's the situation right now. All right, we are consolidating between 2.45 and 2.5. That's the main support level. And then the main resistance level, I would say, is 2.84. All right, so that's a bit of a weird level, 2.84, maybe up to like 2.9 or so. I think that's the main level. And I know we faked out above that twice already. So maybe I should just drag it all the way up to 2.95. But I sincerely do think that if Fetch actually does get back up to 2.9 and 2.85 right now again, and we can break out above that, I would say that this time around it will stick. All right, so we're just waiting for that breakout. And honestly, in these market circumstances and with how strong Fetch has been, the most likely scenario is always a bullish breakout. All right, but it just depends on the AI. If we get some bullish fundamentals for AI, we will easily get that bullish breakout and start rallying up to 3.25 and 3.5. So fundamentals determine this. Fundamentals and Bitcoin. Because if Fetch doesn't have momentum, which at this point of time is the case, then it just depends on the asset which it is most correlated to, which in crypto is always Bitcoin for every coin. So that's what we're waiting for. Alternatively, look, I think it's most likely now that we'll just consolidate in this area. But alternatively, if Bitcoin really starts to get bearish towards the end of the weekend or the start of the next week, then it is possible that we get a bearish breakout as well, down towards 2.2 and 2.15. It's a possibility, but that, like I said, you should just keep an eye on Bitcoin. See what that does. It doesn't seem likely to me that will have a massive drop, but be prepared for it. That's what you need to know for Fetch right now. That's your daily update. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.